Good morning, Topeka High. I'm Adam Croy.
I'm Grady Johnson.
And this is your THS Morning Report.
Next week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, students taking U.S. History and AP U.S. History will be taking a field trip to the Eisenhower Presidential Library and Museum.
On Tuesday, all U.S. History students of Mrs. Evans, Mrs. Burgess, Mr. Wrigley, and Mr. Turkovic will be meeting in the student cafeteria first thing and then going to their field trip.
On Thursday, U.S. History students of Miss Lattimore, Miss McDuffie, and Mr. Nelson will be meeting in the student cafeteria first thing and then going on the field trip.
On Friday, U.S. History and AP students of Miss Hirsch and Mr. Schumann will be meeting in the student cafeteria and then going on the field trip.
All students will return before the end of the school day. If you arrive late or if you do not want to attend the field trip, please report to your first hour class.
Students must travel in a school-sponsored vehicle and are not allowed to drive themselves.
This week, sophomore Trojan Times will begin to swap old Chromebooks for new ones. Don't forget to bring your chargers on the day of your trade.
This week's schedule includes Ilama and Obrador on Thursday with Antonetti and Kabili on Friday.
Welcome back to What You Eatin'. Today you'll be having corn dogs,
build your own deli sandwich,
grilled cheese sandwich,
beefy nacho supreme,
and french fries.
And that's what you're eating.
A quick reminder to all juniors, sophomores, and freshmen. Be sure you have your Naviance 4-year plan completed, as that's how you'll enroll for next year, and enrollment starts this week.
BSU is hosting a chili feed tonight during the halftimes of both women's and men's games. Head to the cafeteria between halves to take advantage of this and get you some free chili with Fritos or a spicy chili dog.
Anyone wanting to go out for softball, there is an informational meeting tomorrow at 3:10 in the cafeteria. They'll be talking about weights, conditioning, and open gym. Don't forget to join the Google Classroom at FO3DIFA.
The Topeka High bowling team has t-shirts and hoodies for sale. Funds raised help purchase much-needed uniforms and supplies for our team members. Sales close on January 20th, and shirt pickup will be late January. Shout out to Riley Saltz for our design. You can find the link to purchase yours in this morning report's description.
Good luck to our JV Scholars Bowl team today. They will be competing at Turner High School and representing Topeka High this afternoon.
And now for upcoming events. Today, men's swim and dive at Topeka West High School.
And we have a basketball game tonight against Washburn Rural, so make sure you pack the dungeon and let's beat the Blues.
And that is all we have for you today, Topeka High.
And remember, towers up.